Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen, and this is a place where I try out different subscription boxes and show you what comes in each box every month. Today I have for you Gwynnie Bee. Gwynnie Bee, if you don't know, is a clothing subscription service for women. When you first sign up for Gwynnie Bee, you fill out a style profile. You can sign up to receive pretty much anywhere between 1 to 10 items a month. Basically, you go shopping and you pick items for your closet. They will curate a box for you depending on what's available and ship you those items. When you receive those items, unlike other clothing subscriptions where you only have a few days to try them on and then send them back, you can wear them for as long as you want. If you love it so much that you're like, I have to have this in my closet all the time, then you can buy it and keep it. Without me continuing to ramble on, let's open this up and find out what's inside. I will say I do know what's in here. They send out an email when your box is being shipped with the 2 items that you have. So if that's something you want to be completely surprised about, don't check your email. It's really hard. I didn't know that at first, that as soon as I opened it up, there was like pictures of, this is what we're sending you. And I was like, oh, that ruined the surprise. And a huge part of subscription boxes for me is the element of surprise. I like the anticipation and it showing up at my door and going, oh, what did I get? I don't like surprises, or I don't like spoilers. So if you want to know what's in your box, open the email. If you don't want to know what's in the box, stay far away from it. Let's tear this open. Ooh, my product card fell out. Alright, we'll worry about that later. Here we have my 2 items. Here's the first one, and at the moment I am blanking on what this kind of shirt is called. Beautiful, love the colors, beautiful for summer. And then next, ooh, quality of this looks like it's very sturdy. It is a dress. I love the bright colors. It also has a belt in here. Very fun, very, I think, springish. If you watched my last video, it's been a hot minute since I filmed it, but that one was another clothing subscription service, and I think I did my sizing wrong, and a lot of them were a size or too big. Where this, yes, I got to put in my sizes, but I also got to pick my sizes when I was adding them to my cart. So I could size up or size down accordingly. So maybe I'll have better luck with these. I like this. I definitely like this. Not with this top at all, but it is cute. I do like the length of it too. This type of top is very, I feel, one size fits all. Not necessarily. That is not true. But you have more flexibility and more freedom in this sizing because it's meant to be large, it's meant to be loose fitting and flowy. Alright, here is the navy and blue dress, and I have to say, first, points for it, it has pockets. I do have to say, this dress is a little snug on me. I am not liking it for that fact. It's just probably maybe 2 sizes too small for me, so maybe a 2X would have worked. No, in my last subscription box, I was getting 2Xs, and they were all huge on me. So I was thinking when I picked it and I was going through the closet and what sizes I should get, that 2X would be too big. And I was trying to follow people's recommendations and stuff, but this is just too tight. So far, my clothing subscription service has not been that great. So we will continue on this adventure and see, hey, maybe one of these months I will find clothes that fit me. So what I'm doing is one clothing subscription box a month from a different brand, and I'm only doing it one time. And I know you're going to say, hey, if you do it more than once, they can kind of get to know you and see, you know, your preferences, your likes, what size, and they can curate towards you. I get that. I understand that. That is not my goal, though. My goal is to see if a subscription box can find clothes for me the very first month without much input from me. You know, I'll fill out the brand review or the sizing and my preferences, but if they can hit that nail on the head and get me clothes that fit me well the first time around, then maybe I will stick with them. Alright, that being said, 2 items for $69 a month. Ugh. I don't know. I don't know if I would keep these items. Alright, let's look at this welcome card. This is just telling you where return it, get your next box, and first purchase you get 20% off. And if you share with a friend, you get $25 for towards your subscription, and they get 1 month free plus $10 off their first paid month. So their first month would be free, their second month they would be $10 off. So if they went with the 2 items, it would be $59. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on the little bell notification. If you have a certain clothing subscription service that you absolutely love and you're like, Kristen, this is my go-to one. I love it. They have awesome clothes. They always send me what I want, the style, the fit. It's amazing. Let me know. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.